Now, hello guys, as you can see, the AC light is blinking. I'm going to show you how to fix it in easy way to fix such issue, right? When you have an issue with your Sienna 2010, the AC light is blinking, you follow the step I'm about to show you. Let's drive into the video. Okay guys, this vehicle we are going to work on the AC compressor. The AC switch is blinking current, is blinking light bulb. Okay, when you on it, the light will be blinking. I'm going to show you how to fix it. Very easy step to take and do that in this video, right? Stay tuned and like this video for you to see how to do that. Right, thank you guys. Okay guys, how to connect it when you have issue if your Sienna is blinking. Now this is what you do. These three wire, peel this. When you peel this first one, peel this second one, okay, peel this third one. When you do so, make sure you put your tester on the current or the positive and touch it to this side, touch it and touch it here, right? After you have done so, this is what you do. But these three wire are the one that join the compressor sensor. Make sure you cut this off. When you cut this off, make sure you bleach these two together. When you bleach these two together, right? After you have done that, now when I start the car, the AC dashboard blinking light will stop if I connected it in this way, right? And when you do this, it's going to be perfect. You don't have any issue, you don't have anything to bother. The fan will be working automatic, everything will be working factory. All you need to do is just cut the arc among the three wire and join the two together. Alright guys, let's test what you have done. As you can see, the AC light is no more blinking. It's working perfectly. That's how to fix it. If you have issue with your Sienna AC light blinking, when you do the process I've shown you, you will be certified and rectified. See you on my next video.